So guys, in this session we are going to discuss the summary of Salvatore, that is a story from your Ecos, that is for your ISC class 11 and 12. So we will be discussing the story in this video, and many of you were telling us in the comment section that you don't have the books for class 11. So don't worry if you don't have the books, so you can just listen to the story. So friends, I'll be telling you the summary of Salvatore, which is written by William Somerset Maugham. So do watch this video till the end, and if you find this video helpful, then do not forget to like and do share this video with your friends. So let us begin. So guys, जैसा कि इस स्टोरी का टाइटल है Salvatore, so you must be wondering what is Salvatore. So telling you that Salvatore, it is actually the name of a boy who is a 15-year-old boy, and he is the son of an Italian fisherman, and he is the eldest son, and he also has two younger brothers. Now, Salvatore, he is a very kind-hearted person, but at the same time he is not that handsome, and he is dark. He has a dark complexion and he has dark brown body. He is of a carefree nature, and he spends his time lying near the sea coast, and at the same time he climbs rock and he sometimes swim in the sea. So now Salvatore, when he grew up, he fell in love with a girl. Name of the girl, it is not at all mentioned in the book, and it is said that she was very beautiful, she was very pretty, and she had beautiful eyes, and she lived in Grand Marina. So this is the name of the place where she used to live. Now both of them, they decided to get married, but before they could get married, there is a twist in the story. So there was a ritual, or you can say there was a tradition in that particular island where they used to live. So at that time it was the rule of King Victor Emmanuel, and all the boys of that particular area, they had to do a military service which was made compulsory for all the boys. So they had to join the navy and they had to do military service for at least 2 years. So now Salvatore, he did not want to join the navy of King Victor Emmanuel, but since it was made compulsory, so he had to do so, and then he had to leave his home, he had to leave his island, and finally he had to go in order to do the military service. Now when he goes to do the military service, he feels very lonely because everyone was stranger to him, and at the same time he used to miss his house, and the most important thing, he used to miss his fiancée, that is the girl with whom he was about to get married to. Now when he was in the navy, so Salvatore, he was sent to many places like Spezia, Venice, and finally he was sent to China. So when he was in China, he started suffering from a disease which is known as rheumatism. So now you must be thinking, what is rheumatism? So rheumatism, it is some sort of disease where you have joint pain and muscle pain, and it is characterized by huge pain. So these are the symptoms of particularly this disease, that is rheumatism. But now if we talk about now, so at this particular time you must be knowing that the most trending disease in that particular area, that is China, it is COVID-19. So now let us come back to the topic. So we were discussing that he was sent to many places, and when finally he was in China, he started suffering from this disease rheumatism, and now the doctor said now he will no more be able to do the military service, and he will never recover, and he will not be as fit as before, and he will not be strong enough to work like a man. The doctor said that he will not be strong enough to work like a man. So this was the thing that the doctor said. On hearing this, Salvatore, instead of being sad, he was happy. Why he was happy? Now you must be thinking why he was happy to listen that he was suffering from a disease called rheumatism. So he was happy because now he will be sent to his home. So now he will be sent home, and he will be able to marry his fiancée, that is the girl whom he loved so much. So now he was sent home, and then when he came back, so there was a crowd, and his parents were also there waiting for him. At the same time, they were very emotional, and his two younger brothers, as I already told you earlier, that he had two younger brothers, and he was the eldest son of the Italian fisherman. So even his younger brothers, they were also emotional, but in the crowd, he was searching the girl whom he loved so much, and he wanted to get married to. So now when he did not find her, he directly went to her house, and which was in Grand Marina, as I already informed. So when he went there, he saw that her mother, the girl as well as her mother, they were sitting in the doorsteps, and even they had heard the news of his illness, that is the illness of Salvatore, that he was suffering from a disease called rheumatism, and he is not going to recover, and he is not going to be as fit as before, and he will no longer be able to walk like a man. So even they had heard the news, and the girl's mother, she directly, straightforward, she said to Salvatore that now her daughter is no more going to marry him because he is suffering from this disease. Now he will not be able to support her, right? So she directly said that her daughter is not at all going to marry him because of his disease. So now, on hearing this, Salvatore, he was very emotional, and he was very sad, and he was depressed, and it was some sort of breakup between them. Now Salvatore, he was very sad and he returned home. On returning home, he came to know that his parents, that is Salvatore's parents, they already knew about it. They didn't had the courage to tell to Salvatore about this. But he did not blame the girl. Now after few days, one day Salvatore's mother came to him and told him about Asunta. Now who is Asunta? Asunta is a girl again who is older in age than Salvatore, and she had seen Salvatore in one of the festivals and she had fallen in love with him and she wanted to get married to Salvatore. And I forgot to say one thing, she was already engaged before and her fiancé had died. Actually, he had not died, but he had been killed in Africa. She had seen Salvatore in one of the festivals and now she wanted to get married to Salvatore. So now Salvatore's mother informed about Asunta to Salvatore. So firstly he rejected, he denied, but later on her mother's advice, Salvatore decided to get married to Asunta. So now Salvatore and Asunta, they got married and they had 2 children later on. So what actually happened? Salvatore, he had to work very hard in order to earn a living, and he used to catch fishes just like his father, because his father was a fisherman by profession. So he had to catch fishes, and at the same time he used to work in the vineyard, and he worked very hard to earn a living. And at the same time we see that sometimes he even used to suffer from slight pain due to his disease, that is rheumatism. So the main theme of this story, that is Salvatore, is goodness in spite of all sadness. So in spite of all the sadness, he did not blame anyone and he used to work hard whole day and he used to earn a living. So this is the main theme of this story, that is Salvatore. So friends, that's all for this video. This was the video. Thanks for watching this video, and did you like the story? Do write to us in the comment section, and if you have any doubts or queries, then you can write to us in the comment section. So friends, this was the video. Thanks for watching this video, and if you like this video, then please do give the thumbs up button and subscribe our channel Mastermind.